To change Kids Mode wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app. Tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap Change Wallpaper. Tap My Gallery. Here you can see all images that you had added to My Gallery app and photos taken with My Camera app. Next, select the desired wallpaper. And then tap Save to save your selection. As you can see, your phone is now using the selected image as the wallpaper in the Kids Mode. To close the Kids Mode, tap the back key. And then enter your current screen lock or use your biometric. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.